Hello friends, my name is Shivam from DevOps Schools and I will help you to enable your learning process in various technologies of DevOps, artificial intelligence, machine learning, big data and many more. This is our initiative to help you by sharing multiple tutorials and videos. And if you want any specific tutorials or any particular topic, then please do comment in the below comment section and I will help you with it. Also, please subscribe to our premium services on YouTube, which will give you access to more content and videos to enhance your knowledge about all these topics. Also, if you want me to help you with regards to the online trainings and classroom sessions by our qualified trainers, then please do write me at contact@devopsschool.com. Thank you.
So now today we are going to discuss about the AWS certification path. So you guys, you all doesn't have any kind of cloud background. Okay, so I will start from the scratch. Okay, that's the reason I was asking you what is your background. Do you have any experience in cloud and all? Okay, so in AWS, whenever we are going to discuss about the AWS certification or learning path, first is what? Cloud practitioner. In that we are going to cover what is cloud, types of cloud, okay, service model of cloud, economics of scale, okay, whether cloud is what beneficial or not according to the cost, okay, all the properties and all these characteristics of the cloud we are going to discuss. In solution architect, how we are, suppose we are going to use any resources or instance in AWS cloud, how we are going to use, how we are going to design, how we are going to create that one. Correct? Like in virtual machines, in AWS, virtual machine is known as EC2. You have shown so many videos, right, Pawan?
Yeah.
Yeah. So basically in AWS, we used to call virtual machine as EC2. So there are so many, instance resources or services offered by the AWS we are going to discuss. So basically guys, you guys have enrolled for AWS solution architect, okay, associate level. Okay, this is what solution architect associate level. This is what you guys have enrolled. Okay, don't worry, I will cover this part also because you guys doesn't have cloud background. Now clear? Any confusion in our learning path? Josna, I know we have already discussed all this stuff.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. So especially Madhvi, Pavan, Srikant.
Yes, Rohit, that helps a lot.
Okay. So we are going to discuss about the solution architect, including cloud practitioner. Okay. Now we are going to discuss about the cloud. What is cloud? Let me start from Madhvi. What is cloud?
Cloud, they put services over the internet.
Okay, it is a service over the internet. Okay. Srikant, what about you? How can you define the cloud? You want to work in cloud technology, right?
Yeah, the cloud is
Let's,
service which we are using for internet.
cloud is a technology or cloud is a service? What
Service,
you said?
service
Okay,
provider.
cloud is a service. Okay. Pawan, I think your answer is also same, right?
I think, it's a group of servers we can access, in different locations.
Oh, those are the characteristics of cloud. Okay, we can access it from anywhere. Okay, first
Okay.
we are going to define the cloud. So exactly cloud is a service which we are going to use over the internet. Okay, don't say anyone is got cloud is a technology. Cloud is a service. Okay, there are
Okay.
so many service provider, cloud service provider like AWS, Azure, GCP, IBM, Entity Data, Alibaba. All these are what? Cloud service provider. Okay, so what is cloud is clear. Cloud is a service.
Service provider.
No, not service provider. Cloud is a service. okay,
Okay.
which we are going to use over the internet. AWS Cloud is a service provider. AWS is a cloud service provider. Okay, Azure is a
Microsoft.
yes, and GCP is from Google. So
Google.
IBM, Entity Data, Alibaba, right? Nutanix. Hope you guys have remember. So I have worked in so many clouds. Okay, because our clients are, especially in my job profile, I used to work as a currently I'm working as a cloud migration lead. Okay, now we are going to discuss about the exam objective, that is solution architect associate level. The code is C01. Okay, basically this particular exam will consist of 5 domains. Okay, first one is what? Design resilient architectures, define performant architectures, specify secure applications and architectures, design cost optimize and architectures, and define operationally excellent architecture. So try to understand in a first design resilient architecture, it is going to, what is the exam weight is 34%, correct? Second
Yes.
unit have 24%, third unit have 26%, and fourth unit have 10%, and fifth is very less, that is what 6%. Okay, so please all of you note down this thing, although you will get the recording of this video and all, but my suggestion to you also, parallelly if you will write, then you can recall within 10 minutes after the class. If again tomorrow I will ask you each and every questions what we did yesterday.
Okay.
Just a second. Sorry guys. Okay, so this is what all of you written this, all the 5, what is the exam weightage and all, guys?
Yes.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, so architecture learning path, that is I have already explained you. Now we are going to discuss about the how we are going to give the exam. Okay, so AWS certification overview. Okay, so this is what we are going to, the exam code is SAA-C01. Okay, not CLF, this is for fundamental. Okay, so total marks is what 1000. Okay, passing mark is what 720, that is 72%. Okay, types of question they are going to ask you multiple choice, duration is 130 minutes. Okay, and my suggestion is what, do not do not touch unscored content, because there are so many for within 130 minutes itself they will give you some, in AWS exam they will give you some of the parts which doesn't contain any kind of score and all. They are just giving for you kind of say that survey kind of thing. Okay, so my suggestion to you, within 130 minutes do not touch that. Okay,
So
and
I read.
one more.
Sorry to interrupt. How can we know that that these are
So
not?
they will indicate in the, before you are going to that particular section. Okay, they will indicate that this is for better improvement for the surface. Please give the answer for below and below questions, all this stuff. They're just
Okay.
taking the feedback, customer feedback kind of stuff. Okay, so do not, my suggestion to you, do not touch that.
Yeah.
Okay,
Yeah. Got it.
some
Got it.
question, yeah, some questions they will indicate in the exam itself, and we are going to open exam, they will indicate this particular section doesn't contain any marks and all. So some questions worth more than 1 marks also, some question is what 1 mark also. Okay, more than 1 marks also. So the types of the passing marks I have told you, right, 72%. And in the exam they will ask you multiple choice and multi response. Multi response is what, more than one answer is correct, like checkbox. you will get. You have to select an out of 4, maybe more than one answer is correct. And multiple choice is what? Out of 4, only one is correct. Clear? What is the difference between multiple choice and multiple response? Guys?
Yeah, multiple choice means out of 4 we have to select one.
Yes, correct. And multiple response means what? You have to select more than one response. You have
Yeah.
to
Okay.
select more than one answer. Okay. Now more focus on technology sections. As I told you, technology means what? Here the services. What are the services offered by AWS Cloud?
AWS.
Like EC2, ELB, Redshift. Don't worry, I will explain you. We will go and all. Okay, we'll start on, then you will. And the cost is 150 USD. Okay. Practice exam 20 USD. Total number of questions 65. Okay, but sometimes in now they will give you 60 also, 62 also, or sometimes 65 also, sometimes 58 also. So it depends upon which set you got. Okay, if the questions are max like 65, then question will be easy. If questions are 30, 35 or 40, then you can understand questions are little bit complex. Clear?
So a really quick question, like how many attempts can we take it? Like can we do it in 2 attempts or 3 attempts or number of attempts?
Number of its. You can attend so many times, no issues for that.
Got it.
But there should be a gap at least 15 days.
Okay.
Okay, don't worry, you will clear in a first attempt itself. I will give you so many practice paper for that. So if you will, all the assignments and all the labs, if you are going to do, then you will clear from first attempt itself. Till now 100% my strike, what I may be. So that is what I'm 100% sure. If you will do all the assignments, there is no negative and no penalty. So my suggestion to you, please try to attend each and every question. Okay.
Yes, sure.
And how we are going to plan for the exam, that is also important, right? So 90 minutes just take to answer the questions. Okay, and 40 minutes for review, instructions, scope, all this stuff. Like suppose you have 65 questions, right? Within 130 minutes. Suppose in the first, like some of the questions are very complex, you need to, it's not a direct question, so you just mark it and later you can come back in within that time is what, 40 minutes, and then you can solve that. First you have to go through each and every questions. Clear how you are going to start, how you are going to do in the exam? Clear or not this section?
Yep.
First you have to plan for 90 minutes. In that you have to finish first to last and mark some of the question which is not which is not you are able to give the answer right now, and then later within 40 minutes you can solve. Few questions are from direct from the definitions. Most of the questions are based on the use case study. Like they will create one use case and then they are going to ask you the questions. Okay, some of the questions are decision based. Clear?
Yeah.
Any doubt? Please, all of you, please write down. This is very important. Once done, please inform me. Srikant, are you writing?
Can we get the presentation slides, or we need to write all of them here?
Just note down this thing. You will anyway. You will get the recording videos.
Okay.
Okay. Like right now, it is also recording. You will get this recording.
Yeah.
No issues. But if you will write, in your notepad on what I may be, in pen or with on register, then it will be easy to recall. Again, going all the recording and all. You will get the recording. No issues for that. So this, I think this section AWS certification overview is clear. All of you.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. Good. So exam blueprint, that is what, again, this is what domain first. In domain first, what are things we are going to study? That is choose reliable, okay, resilient stories, determine how to design, okay, decoupling mechanism using AWS services. So exactly these are the what, first, second, third, fourth, and fifth. These are the 5 domain we are going to discuss in this session, entire session. Not today. This is what it is, a journey for AWS solution architect associate level. Clear? Now, so before starting the journey towards the solution architect, as you all are what, from the, not from the cloud background, right? So you must have the basic understanding of the cloud. Correct?
Yeah.
Am I correct? Or directly I can start from a solution architect? Tell me.
No, we have to start
No.
basic.
Okay, so from start. Okay, so define the AWS cloud and its value proposition. What does it mean? What is AWS cloud?
AWS, like, these are a set of services like that helps to build, run, and deploy applications.
That is DevOps concept. Okay, build, run, CI and CD. Don't go with that. Solution architect job is, little bit different. And my question was AWS cloud. AWS cloud is what? One of the service provider of cloud.
Yeah.
Just now we discussed few minutes
Yes.
ago. So AWS cloud, whenever you're going to define the AWS cloud, you can say that, okay, we can define it is what? Service provider for the
Service
cloud.
provider of cloud.
Yes. Okay. And what its value proposition? What does it mean? What kind of value it will give? So cloud is what? Cloud is giving us some value or not? Tell me.
Compared to all other cloud services like Amazon, AWS has a set of variety of services.
Yeah. So see, it is top 3 cloud currently. Okay. So till December 2019, AWS was the number 1. Okay. Now Azure is a number 1 with market share, and second one is AWS, third one is GCP. Okay. Clear?
Okay, got it. Thanks.
Now second one is AWS Cloud Economics. So what does it mean? Cloud economics? Do you have any idea? What is the economics of scale?
Cost
Okay.
of the project.
Yes, cost of the project. So how, let me explain you how, cloud is beneficial for us. Why we all are nowadays, why we all are moving into the cloud. Okay. The main reason is behind, just I'm giving you all are, BTech graduate or MTech, whatever may be. Okay, correct? So you all have
Yeah.
a technical background. You all are using currently laptop, right? Tell me.
Yes.
Someone
Yeah,
is
yes.
using Mac or someone is using laptop, something, right?
Yes.
So whenever
Yes.
you will get any, suppose you will get any project, okay, and that project needs, just I'm giving you simple basic example so that you will understand, okay, this is the use of cloud. So if I told you that you have to install some Oracle application which includes minimum the 16 GB RAM, okay,
Yeah.
correct, 16 GB RAM in your system, and currently you have the system which have 8 GB RAM, suppose. So in India, I'm not sure about the US, and maybe it's cheaper and all, but in India it will cost more than 1 lakh rupees for 16 GB RAM and all the configuration, basic configuration. Correct?
Mhm.
Guys,
Yeah.
what is the
Yeah,
price?
yes.
I am talking about in INR, not talking about US dollars and Swedish,
Yes.
So so it will be what, 1 lakh? After
Yes.
1 lakh, we have to purchase what? Operating system, OS, right?
Okay.
Correct? Tell me yes or no, whether we are
Yeah,
going to
yes.
purchase or not. After that, we are going to purchase the antivirus. So it will cost me at an MS Office and all this stuff, basic stuff. Okay, it will cost me minimum 1,20,000 for 16 GB RAM setup. Okay, with Windows operating system. So then we are able to what? What was our requirement? We are going to install some Oracle application which requires hardware 16 GB RAM. Correct? So then we are able to install that particular application. So we have already spent 1,20,000. Okay, and then we are going to start our job. Correct?
Yeah.
Okay, it means it involves the upfront cost. Economics of scale. Try to understand the terminology. Economics of scale means what? How we are going to spend our money upfront. So whenever we are going to discuss about the cloud, you can understand that in cloud, the upfront cost, there is no upfront cost at all. Okay, so whenever we are going to spend any money on physical infrastructure, that is what upfront cost. Because I'm going to buy the laptop, it means what? I'm going to buy some what? Physical infrastructure. Correct, Srikant?
Yes.
And without starting the job on our project, we have already spent 1,20,000. Correct?
Yeah.
And after 1 year, if you are going to sell that particular laptop, what will be the cost?
20,000.
Maximum in India, 40,000 is very max. No one is going to take in Hyderabad or Bangalore, in Delhi. No one is going to take give you more than 15,000. 40,000 if you are getting, it's very good. Okay, nowadays. Correct?
Yeah.
Okay, maximum you will get 15 to 20,000. So you have already spent 1,20,000 and after 1 year you are getting 20,000 for that. That is the resale value of your physical infrastructure. Understood this concept?
Yes.
Although
Yeah.
now whenever you are going to buy or whenever you are going to rent the infrastructure on cloud, suppose AWS cloud. So here rent means what? You are going to rent the infrastructure, like you are going to rent for your requirement, project requirement, you are going to rent the EC2. EC2 means what? Virtual machine of AWS cloud. Okay, so it will cost you 16 GB RAM, all the hard disk and all this stuff, operating system, window and antivirus, everything. It will cost you maximum 500 rupees per month or max to max 600. So in 1 year you are going to spend 12 into 500, 6,000 only. Correct, guys?
Yes. Yes.
Yes.
Try to understand the power of cloud. That is most important. So that is the reason each and every organization moving towards the cloud. That is basic reason. Just I have given you the layman example to understand why we all are trying to learn cloud. After 5 years you can see that okay, each and everything is on cloud. All the IT organization is working cloud only. Okay, and for cloud, yeah, I am sure that almost I am working in cloud since almost 2008, since more than 8. Okay, 7 or 8 I have started. Okay, and AWS launched in 2006 publicly. Okay, and I started working cloud in 2007 or something. Okay, and till now I thought there's in middle of that there's so many technology have came, they up and down, but Only the cloud I have seen since 2008, it is increasing day by day. It is not decreasing. Okay. So due to that reason, you can see that. So here, whenever you are going to rent any virtual machine, okay, so they are any, suppose AWS, either AWS cloud provider or Azure cloud provider or GCP cloud, whatever may be, you are going to choose. They are going to give you the bill at the end of month, because monthly they are going to charge. Okay, and they are going to charge per hour. Okay, clear? So you have already started your work in the cloud, okay, and on your project, but you have not spent a single rupees first day. After 1 month you will get the bill from the AWS, and then you are going to pay the 500, correct?
Yeah.
Yes, yes,
Guys, Srikant, so it means what?
yes.
There is no upfront cost in the cloud. That is what I am trying to explain you. Clear this thing?
Yeah.
Clear all of you, Madhvi?
Yes, yes, got it.
Understood what is the concept of upfront cost?
Yes.
Economics of scale. So in the interview, they will ask you, can you explain economics of scale of cloud? You have to answer, you have to take some example, that you can take the same example and then you can explain in this way. Okay, they will 100% for, if you are going to find a job as a solution architect, they will ask you, because your job is to what? Optimize the cost and provide the better solution, correct?
Yeah.
Right. Suppose I am working in one of the organization as a senior manager. If I am not going to give any suggestion improvement in every quarter, that do you think that any MNC is going to hire me, or any MNC is going to retain me in my job? No, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
See, at TL level, ASC level, SSC level, and beginning of the career, it's very easy. Okay, whenever you will move, like manager, senior manager, VP and all, AD, additional director and all, then it will be very tough to survive in the organization. Okay, so these things you have to keep in mind, how I am going to improve my technology, how I am going to improve, how I am going to give the better solutions. Okay, so this is what your job. So clear cloud economics? Any doubt, guys?
Oh,
No.
Okay, so what is upfront cost and all this stuff, and where we are not going to uh, spend the upfront cost, all these stuffs are clear. Okay, now move towards types of cloud. Okay, so types of cloud, who will say? Any idea? I think Pawan, you have shown so many videos.
No idea.
Okay, don't worry. In India, we used to say get idea. Okay, so idea is one of the telecommunication organization from Aditya Birla organization. So just let me tell you types of cloud. If you are going to search on Google, okay, so they will give you multiple, there are so many types of cloud, like public, private, hybrid, community, and multi-cloud. Correct?
yeah.
Yep, yep.
But do not go with the Google. Okay. Yeah, there anyone can, but as per the because you are preparing for AWS solution architect, only 3 types of clouds are there. What are those? Public, private,
Public,
and
private,
hybrid.
hibernate. Yep.
Hybrid. Not
Hybrid.
hibernate, hybrid.
Hybrid. Okay.
Hibernate in Java. Okay, we'll study someday. Java. So there are 3 types of cloud. So what do you mean by, so tell me, especially Pawan, are you using any cloud service?
Yes.
Yes, can you tell me which cloud service you are using in day-to-day life? I know we all are using the cloud service.
Public.
To get our channel membership, click onto the join button, select the 399 plan and grow your skills immensely.
Okay, which cloud, that is by from which device you are using, or which, what kind of day-to-day life you are doing, so that it will be
So
clear.
e-commerce sites and Flipkart, Amazon,
No,
Netflix.
that is what Netflix is. That is, yeah, Netflix is one of the good. And also you are using cell phone, right?
Yes, yes.
We all are storing our pics, okay, pic and selfie in cloud only, right?
Google Cloud.
Yeah, any cloud, Google Cloud and all, but we are using cloud, correct?
We do.
We are using cloud or not? Yes or
Yes,
no?
yes. Yeah.
Yes,
Each and
we
every
do.
person,
We do use
yeah,
it. Yes.
yes, each and every person is using. Even in the village also, nowadays in India also, even the village people doesn't know what is cloud, but they are saving all their selfie and pics into the cloud.
Yes.
Okay, so that is what. So basically we all are using we are saving our pics in public or private cloud or hybrid.
Right.
Not private, public.
I think it's probably.
Public, because see, let me just give you a simple example. You all are using iPhone, correct?
Yeah.
You all are using iPhone.
Yes.
So
Mhm.
iPhone have separate cloud, that is iCloud, right?
iCloud. Yeah.
All the iPhone user is going to use only iCloud, not other cloud, correct?
Yeah.
Okay.
So it means what? It's a public, right?
No.
Pawan, understood or
Okay.
not?
Okay. No, if I save my photos, so the others can't access that data, right? So
No, so that is what public cloud have also the security.
okay, got it.
Without security, no one is going to put. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Don't worry, I will
I mean, I
explain
thought
you
it's
in a
public means everyone can access that. Cloud service.
everyone, but they must have their what credentials.
User ID and password.
Okay.
Okay. So okay, I will explain. Let me explain you private cloud, then you are able to understand. See, what is private cloud? Any idea? Josna, I will
Yeah.
explain you. Please go ahead. What is private cloud?
Oh, private cloud means which we will use cloud as a personal things where we can store all the personal things.
No, organization level also we can use. Okay, let me explain.
And
See,
Rohit, I want to know what is on-premises cloud also.
okay, sure, I will explain you. Why you haven't asked yesterday?
Yeah, but yesterday I saw on Google, they in types of cloud they given public cloud, on-premises cloud they given. I can't understand that on-premises cloud.
Public cloud, see, whatever may be the cloud which we are going to use without the VPN, virtual private network, that is public cloud. Try to understand.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
So if guys, if you are not using VPN to access the cloud, then it's a public cloud. So are you using any VPN to access the iCloud, guys?
No.
No.
Or
No.
Gmail, Google Cloud? No, right?
No.
But whenever we are going to use the Citrix, correct, we are always have to connect with the VPN, correct?
Yes.
VPN is what? Virtual private network. So whatever may the cloud which we are going to use through the VPN, that is what? Private cloud. Clear?
Private
What
cloud.
is the what is the difference between public and private cloud? And
Yeah.
private cloud is a what? Very costly as compared to public cloud. Okay. See,
Yes.
because why? Because in private cloud we are introducing one more security level, that is what? VPN. Firstly, the person should have what? VPN access,
VPN.
right? Then they are able to log into the cloud. Again, for cloud, he is going to put or she is going to put the credential, correct? So 2 layer of securities are there or not? But for public cloud, we are just entering our credential, that's all. Security is always there, but it's also depends upon what level of security, how many layers of the security, how many layers we have introduced. And nowadays, so many, in private cloud nowadays, we are introducing what? MFA, multi-factor authentication. Hope you guys remember. You all have the bank account, right?
Yes.
Yep.
So whenever we are going to transfer any money, if you want to do live right now, I can show you. I will give my account, okay? So whenever you are going to transfer any money, you are getting some OTP or not? Tell me.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yes. Yes.
So that is what multi-factor authentication. You are putting your credential, but you are getting some OTP on your mobile device or whatever may be the device, okay? And then that OTP you are putting into the screen, then they are what? Allowing you to transfer any amount,
Yes.
correct?
Yes.
So that is what, in which cloud? They can't put into the public cloud, they have to put into the private cloud.
Private cloud.
Okay, now your question is what?
On-premises cloud.
Yes, on premises cloud. See, first of all, do not get confused in Google. Do not, whenever I'm going to explain you, okay, do not get, do not Google it so many things. What I am going to explain you, that is more than enough.
Okay.
But let me give you an answer. See, as I told you, nowadays, each and every organization, and also you all are BTech graduate, correct?
Yeah.
You must have seen in your college days. I'm going to back you some 10 or 12 years ago. When you have went to the college, you must have seen the server room, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Guys, maybe in
Yes.
my college in IIT Kharagpur, there is a very big server room. Okay, very big. There, large. There are so many computers are there, and okay. And you guys are, you all are from which? From India. So what are the colleges you have passed out?
From Usmania University, Hyderabad.
Okay, Usmania, that is also very good college. So they must have, they have the servers and all. Correct?
Yes.
I'm
Yes.
not
Server
sure.
rooms are there or not?
Yeah,
And
maybe.
and nowadays, private colleges have very good lab facility. Frankly speaking, server rooms, maintenance, and all. I'm from government college. I can understand. You guys can understand my pain and all, right? That time I was not having, but nowadays, each and every private college have better facility as compared to other government college. So in the when you have seen the server room, that is what?
Yeah.
That is what?
Private.
Private cloud or not?
Private
Yeah.
cloud.
Private.
Yes. So one more thing, try to understand. Private cloud are two types. One is internal, second one is external private cloud. Private clouds are what? Two types.
Good type.
First one is internal, second one is external. So internal is what? Whenever we are nowadays, each and every organization is what? Have on-premises data center. Guys, on-premises data
Yes.
center or not?
Yeah. On-premises
Yeah.
data.
Data center. It means what? That is internal private
Internal
cloud.
private cloud.
Private cloud. And if you are going to use through VPN, it means what? It is internal private cloud. External private cloud, who is going to provide? Cloud provider is, if you want to build private cloud in cloud provider, in cloud itself, there are so many cloud provider like AWS, Azure, and GCP. They will give you that facility. So you can build your private cloud externally also. Clear?
Clear.
Jyotsna, clear?
Yeah, I understood.
Okay, good. What about you, Madhvi?
Yes, it's clear, Rohit.
Okay. Now we are going to discuss about the deployment model of cloud. What are the deployment model of cloud? Anyone have any idea?
No.
Okay, no idea. Good. That's the reason I'm here. Okay. You have some idea then why I'm here. Correct?
Correct.
Yeah. So deployment model of cloud is what? Whenever I see, as the definition of cloud itself, I told you it is what? Service, right?
It's a
Cloud
service.
is, it's a service.
Yeah.
So deployment model of cloud are basically three types: infrastructure as a service, okay, platform as a service,
Okay. Yeah.
and software
And
as a service.
Okay.
Okay. So guys, can we wind up today here itself? Tomorrow again we will meet. Today is just an introduction class. Okay. So we have discussed these three topics. This topic from tomorrow I will start from deployment model of cloud.
okay.
Because my health is, you guys maybe don't know, just now know, right? So my health is not good. So that's the reason I'm winding up today.
Okay, no problem.
Yep.
So
Yep.
till now, tell me any doubt you guys have till now. What are the things we have discussed? Okay, what are the things we have discussed? Madhvi, can you tell me from starting what are the things we have discussed till now?
Yeah, I think we talked about solution architect exam and then the pattern of the exam
See,
and basic concept of cloud.
just a second,
Sorry?
just a second. Yeah, just a second, Madhvi. First, we have talked about the role and responsibility of architect.
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 Okay. Second, we have talked about the types of architect. Correct. Then we have come into the exams, certifications, AWS, what are the certifications offered by solution, how from where we are going to start, that we talk. After that, I've explained you guys how many marks,
Cloud.
what is the percentage passing marks, and how you are going to approach in the exam. Correct? What is your plan, how you are going to give the exam? Correct? After that, we discuss what is cloud. Correct?
Cloud.
About the cloud. After that, we discuss about the AWS cloud and its value. Then we discuss
AWS Cloud.
economics of a
Cloud.
scale, that is upfront cost and all. Correct? After that, we discuss types of cloud.
Types of
Cloud. So whenever I'm going to give the whenever I'm going to give the lecture on please note it down all these points. So whenever tomorrow, if you will just look your register, okay, so you can recall within 5 minutes, you can recall each and everything. No need to go a 1 second 1 hour video. Within 5 minutes you can recall each and everything. Anyways, don't worry, you will get the video, but this is my suggestion, you can save your time.
Yeah.
Because
Yep.
you are going to work as a solution architect, you have to optimize your time also. Okay.
Yes.
So let's wind up here. Any doubt from today lecture?
No.
The sounds are very low, guys.
I mean, I have doubts
Yes, no.
regarding that starting 2 points, value proposition and cloud economics.
Okay, let me explain you. I've given you what is the define the AWS cloud is clear. What is the value proposition? What kind of value it will give to our industry? Okay, so cloud is what? AWS cloud is what? 24/7 it is available. You can access cloud from anywhere, from India, from US, from Sweden, whatever may be the place, from Netherlands.
Okay.
Correct?
Okay.
And after that, the AWS is also going to provide you what? Elasticity, agility, all this stuff. So
Hello.
don't worry,
Hello.
we'll discuss, in detail. Just now I have given you the head about that. So basically, what kind of value it is? Example of that, it is going to save out to the cloud. One.
Yeah. Rohit, I mean,
One.
your voice is not clear. Yeah. Hello.
Yeah. Everyone is facing the same issue,
Yeah, we are
Now it's
able to hear your voice.
guys.
yes.
No, you are okay. So value proposition, I was telling you, what is the characteristics or benefits of the cloud? Like
Okay.
with the cloud, we can optimize our cost.
Mm-hmm.
We can optimize or not? I have given you the
Yes.
We
example.
can optimize the cost.
Yeah. Yes.
Yes. Second point, cloud is 24/7. It is available or not?
Yes.
Ability. Cloud is also helpful in disaster recovery. If you are going to set up a on-premises data center, any kind of flood and all will came, then what will happen?
Yeah. Data. I mean,
Your
we'll
data
lost all
center,
the data.
yeah, entire data, entire setup, everything. There will be a big loss. Correct?
Yes.
So cloud is also helpful in disaster recovery. Also, cloud is what? Agility. Agility means what? Today, right now, you have configured what? 16 GB RAM, VM, EC2,
Mm-hmm.
virtual machine. Tomorrow you want 32 GB RAM. You can increase the RAM. That's all. You are not going to purchase the new laptop for 32 GB and all. You can increase RAM. Okay. Or you can provision new virtual machine within 5 minutes. That's all. Within the 5 minutes, with operating system, with antivirus, everything will be ready in your system. But practically, whenever we are going to purchase any laptop, if I'm going to install operating system or each and everything, it will take minimum 1 day. Correct? 2.5 hours for operating system installation. After that, MS Office, antivirus, all this stuff, right?
Yes.
And within 5 minutes, you are going to. So it's a value or not? Cloud have some value or not? Clear?
Yes.
Owen,
Yeah. It's clear.
any other doubt, guys?
No.
No. It's Pawan for you.
Please enroll our general membership for $399 plan to get access of all the parts.
Along with that, you can access our other tutorials such as Docker, Ansible, Jenkins, Terraform, Splunk, AWS, Azure, and various other DevOps related premium tutorials with our channel membership. If you would have any issues with our channel membership, you can drop an email to us at contact@devopsschool.com, or you can also unsubscribe from channel membership anytime if you don't want to continue or did not like the video. To get our channel membership, click onto the join button, select the $399 plan and grow your skills immensely. Please be kind enough to like it, and you can comment any of your doubts and queries. We will reply to them at the earliest. Thanks for watching.